like, let me get over here in it.
Got me now.
Good thing I can cut all that out.
Rodney said he wants to be famous. See, look, you got my Chris's whole video unusable.
Wait, that ain't ready.
We got to line the marks up.
I know, where's... Okay, it's over here.
Yeah, it's right there, son. Let Daddy teach you a thing, too.
This is how to make cheap-ass Cummins exhaust 101.
How to go blind from a welder at the same time.
I can't see. Where's my safety helmet?
Yours just close your eyes.
Yours is,
Oh, last time I closed my eyes, it didn't end well for me.
yours is go blind.
You're not supposed to look at it.
You're not supposed to look.
It looks like a rainbow.
How to be special like Rodney.
Ain't no way it can be as special as me. Hold on.
At least you're able to admit that.
You got it?
Yeah.
That's the first step to recovery.
Admitting you have a problem?
Yeah.
First step is the 3D. 3D going? $9.99.
Oh, yeah. Drew some juice off of there.
Yeah.
That was weird.
Just made all the lights in here flicker.
Did it really?
Yeah.
Maybe it's
I've
this
never done that
shit
before.
box garage you got. Like all our vehicles.
Never done that in here.
Hey, when we get this done, can we put one of them air filters on the end for the tip?
Yeah.
See what it sounds like?
Does sound like
It'd be good for the ozone layer too. I'm not polluting it.
catches all the filter. There you go.
Is that technically like having a DPF
Yeah,
back on your truck? It just catches all the particulate?
yeah.
It's a particulate filter, sir. I'm trying to be safe for the environment.
I don't know what that word means, but I was going with it.
This is why everybody comes to his house. Because he's the only one that knows how to weld.
Rodney World.
Knows how to weld. Everybody knows how to make some sloppy.
Alright guys, so today's video, we're going to show you how to make a straight pipe exhaust on a, well, pretty much any truck, any Cummins truck, for about $60. So, pretty much we kept the stock down pipe, crawl under here, kept the stock down pipe about to right here, where we took a 3 to 4 adapter, and then ran 4-inch straight all the way out the back, which we're finishing up right now. Went to a tractor store locally here and bought the adapter and the pipe for roughly, I don't know, remember what it was, about 50 bucks. And you can run 4-inch straight out the back then if you're still running a stock turbo. So you can leave the factory 3-inch downpipe on for now. And Rodney's under here welding the hangers back up with no helmet on, which I don't recommend doing that. But, you know. But yeah, that's pretty much how you will run a straight pipe on a second gen or pretty much any Cummins truck. Pretty simple. Pretty cheap, rather than if you don't want to spend, you know, $300-400 on a kit.
Ah, I went in my ear hole.
Yep, man. He just that's why you wear a mask, people. And I'll after this video probably make a walk around video of my buddy Rodney's truck. He's got a couple of them, but this is his tow pig. I'll make a video of this here shortly, and that'll be a separate video. But just wanted to show you guys how to make a straight pipe on a Cummins for pretty cheap. And I did have to do a little bit of modifying. The pipe we got didn't have a real good bend in it, so I had to cut and reform it basically and weld it, where you can see right here. Focus, there we go, right there. Don't mind what he just had to do for a hanger, but and then he has an 8-inch tip that I'll be putting on the end of it, and should be good. And I'll have a clip of me welding the section back on to bring it out the side more, because originally it didn't have a very good bend in it, and it was kind of coming out the bottom and didn't really want an axle dump, and it wasn't coming out at a very good spot. So just a little bit of cutting with a bandsaw and welded it up real quick, and works good. So yeah, I'll make a walk around video of this truck, tell you a little bit about it in another video, and that'll be about it for this video. You guys have a good day, and as always, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks.